Hey guys, so we are back today with another hair video. Let me know down below in the comment section, guys, how you guys like this format of me kind of talking to you guys about the unit first, doing the install, and giving you guys my overall review. I actually find this format to be better instead of just kind of playing music through and just getting straight to the point. So let me know if you guys like this format of my hair videos now. So today's hair video, guys, is a brand new company. I've never worked with this company before, guys, and just before I accepted the review, I just made sure I didn't go on the internet or on YouTube to find other reviews. So this is a raw review, guys. First time getting a unit from this company, first collaboration with this company, so I can kind of give you guys my overall opinion about this unit. So this company, guys, hopefully I'm pronouncing the name correctly. This is Hurela Hair Company. Hurela Hair Company. I feel like that sounds the best with this one. So yeah, so this is Hurela Hair Company, guys. The unit that they sent me is 28 inches long, and it's a 5x5 HD lace closure wig, guys. A lot of you guys complain about the 13x4s, 13x6 as far as gluing everything down. So in today's hair video, guys, it's a one product install. I only used the Ebin hairspray to install this unit, and that was that. So this is very simple for my girls out there that don't like to do extra stuff with their units and want to protect your edges and stuff like that and just don't want the hassle of removing glue off and putting glue back on. I know it's crazy, so I want to give you guys a nice sleek bomb option for the season, guys. They also did send me some goodies in the bag. With your standard bag, you'll get a standard wig cap. They also gave me a headscarf, which I appreciate. I always need one of those. I got some hair clips, and I always mention to you guys, if you guys watch my vlogs, do not throw these eyelashes out. These eyelashes are absolutely amazing. Every single time I get eyelashes from a hair company, and I'm pretty sure they send it to you guys in the boxes, do not throw these out. They look like they're very, very out there and stuff like that, guys, but they literally look nice once you style everything out. So if you get eyelashes sent to you guys in your box when you order your unit, do not throw these out. Trust me, you can use them. So guys, before I keep flapping my gums and going along, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So that's basically the install part of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed that part. Like I mentioned to you guys before, this is a very simple install. I only use the Ebin Wonder Lace spray, which I'll leave a link down below. So honestly and truly, this 5x5 HD lace closure, guys, is bomb AF. I did not have to put powder on the cap. I didn't have to do anything with this unit. You guys can see how naturally realistic this looks, and I did not use any like tacky adhesive. All I did was spray the unit. Like, that is that. Now, I did have a headband on earlier, so they did go ahead and send me a headband in the mail. For some reason, I never ever wore these because I just thought they were too chunky, too bulk. But for some reason, with this middle part style, it just looks super cute, guys. I always end up having like this big back head, even though I don't really have any hair right now. I'm super bald underneath, so I just felt like the hair was just giving me so much elevation up here. So when I put the headband on, it just looks super cute. So I definitely think I would wear this like that, middle part style. I think it's super cute. Now, even though this is a closure wig, guys, you can definitely go ahead and part it a different way or slide the wig to the side. Each side of this unit has that little part that just kind of flaps down, so it fit my head perfect, guys. I did have to adjust the straps in the back, but these parts land perfectly where they're supposed to, which I really, really appreciate. Like I said, the only thing that I used was the even wonder lace. And you guys, look at, are you guys kidding me? This is some bomb diggity lace, y'all. Like, I was super impressed by this. I'm like, oh my gosh. Like, I wonder kind of like how much of the 13x4 or 13x6 frontals are gonna look like, because this right here, I didn't have to put any powder on it. I didn't do a damn thing with this one, guys. It literally sprayed it, put a little bit of my headscarf down on it for like 5-10 minutes, took it off, and boom, that was that. And all I did with this one, guys, to kind of keep it as flat as possible, I did go ahead and use my hot comb and try to get it really, really flat at the top. In combination with my hot comb, I was going with my Aussie Instant Freeze hairspray. Now, I use this as kind of like a tamer stick, a wax stick, instead of using the wax stick, just because this works really, really well. So I get the 24-hour extreme holds, and instead of using the wax stick, I just spray this on like my straight hair, and it really helps the flyaways and everything stay down. So this one I did use along with the hot comb to really, really get this unit to stay as flat as possible, guys. Let me know if I did a good job on this one. The parting space, this 5x5 is a very, very deep, guys. Very, very deep. And you guys, like I said, look at that front. Wig where? Like, where is the wig? Like, so this is another banging hair review, guys. Banging Hair Company. Let's see if I can pronounce the name again. Hurela Hair Company. So shout out to Hurela Hair Company for sending me this unit, guys. The unit is super dope. I'm super excited to start a collaboration with this company. So far, so good. This is a straight unit, guys. So all I did with this unit was literally just straighten it out a little bit. I did not co-wash this unit. If I did not mention that before, this has not been co-washed. I tweezed it, straightened it, hot comb, boom, done, bada boom, gotta go. So that was literally everything I did with this unit. I only used one product to install this unit, and the one product did exactly what I need to do, guys. So shout out to this 5x5 HC lace closure, guys. If you're looking for something that's a little bit less, you know, work, like a 13x4, 13x6, I highly recommend you go ahead and consider these 5x5 closure wigs. They do a good job. This part stays down very flat, so you don't have to worry about the wind picking up and showing all the little track lines. That's not gonna happen over here. So I'll leave all the information down below, guys, if you guys are interested in purchasing a unit from Hurela Hair Company. I hope I'm saying that correctly. From Hurela Hair Company, guys. So I'll leave all the information down below per usual. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.